Hello everyone and welcome to class of Amazon Glaciers. Today in this class we are going to discuss about data retrieval. So we will discuss about Amazon Glacier data retrieval policies. So let's have a look at this. So that means with the help of this data retrieval policies we can easily set data retrieval limits and we can manage the data retrieval activities across AWS account in each region. That means by using a free tier only policy, we can keep our retrievals in our daily free allowance and not incur any retrieval cost. The maximum retrieval rate policy ensures the peak retrieval rate from all retrieval jobs across your account in a region, which does not exist or exceed the bytes per hour limit which you set. That means we are going to set a bytes per hour limit for retrievals. Now, if we don't want to set the retrieval limit, so we can use a no retrieval limit policy where all valid data retrieval requests will be accepted. That means we require to choose here Amazon Glacier retrieval policy. That means we have to set a limit or we don't have to set the limit for this. So we have three types of data retrieval policy. First one is free tier only. Then we have maximum retrieval policy and no retrieval limit as we have discussed. That free tier policy, we can keep our retrievals in a daily free tier allowance and it will not incur any retrieval cost. Maximum retrieval policy, we can set the maximum retrieval limits, and no retrieval, that means no limit policy where all valid data retrieval request will be accepted. Now here Amazon Glacier retrieval policy, that means using Amazon Glacier console, how to set a retrieval policy. Like these are the retrieval policies as we have discussed. This is free tier only, maximum retrieval rate and no retrieval rate. We can set here GB per hour as a retrieval rates. Now let's discuss about vault operation. Now, what are the operations that we can perform on a vault? That we can delete, we can post, we can put, post, delete vault, delete access policy, or get notification configured. Now, first of all, we have abort vault, which is delete lock policy. This operation aborts the vault locking process if the vault lock is not in the state of locked state. If the vault lock is in the locked state, when this operation is requested, the operation returns an access denied exception error. Aborting the vault locking process removes the vault lock policy from the specified vault. That means we are going to delete the lock policy from here. This operation adds the specified tags to the vault. Now, each tag is composed of key and a value. Each value can have up to 50 tags. If your request would cause the tag limit for the vault to be exceeded, the operation throws the limit exceeded exception error. That means we could have limit exceeded exception error in this. So these are the various vault operations. We can get notification, we can delete our vault, we can delete its access policy. Now for archive operations, that means we can delete an archive. After you delete an archive, you might still be able to use the successful request to initiate a job to retrieve the deleted archive, but the archive retrieval job will fail. That means this operation deletes an archive from the vault. You can delete one archive at a time from a vault. But whenever we require to delete an archive, what we require to provide an archive ID. We can get the archive ID if we download the vault inventory. Next, we can post archive. That means we can upload archive. For successful upload, data is persisted. That means Amazon Glacier returns an archive ID in the response. We require to save the archive ID so that we can access this archive later on. So these are the some data retrieval activities in Amazon Glacier. Thank you so much.